Hello, welcome back my friends to another Sprinkler Supply Store product overview. I'm Sprinkler Nerd Andy, and in this video, we're gonna take a look at the NDS 10-inch round valve box. And you might be thinking, what the heck is there to talk about here? And you're right, not much, but I did wanna kind of show you the scale, show you how the lid goes on, and even that you can lock this. So this particular part number is the 111 BC because it has the black body and the green lid. So again, that's the 111 BC by NDS. And I think what we'll do is let's just go ahead and do a top-down look here. Make sure I got this in the right spot for you. There we go. I even have the letters lining up correctly. So the way this works is you turn the lid and then you can lift it up. Here's what the lid looks like underneath. And then what's cool is this does come with a locking point as well. Locking meaning you can bolt it down tight. So if you want to do that, you can just purchase a third-party bolt and just screw it together. Pretty simple valve box. Really, I don't know the exact construction of this box, but it is the 10-inch round model. And yes, you're right, there's not a lot for me to talk about. I am already running out of things to say. So basically to put the lid on, you find where it slides in, and then you just turn it clockwise, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And when it's all the way lined up, that's where the bolt goes in there. So let me see if I can get you a better close-up of the bolt. That is where you would put the bolt to lock the lid. And that really just keeps hands out, keeps potential vandals. You would just use a socket set to remove the bolt, but it is a good way to just keep people out. And then if you are interested, we do have these for sale at sprinklersupply.store.com. Of course, that's our website. That's what we do. We sell products, we make videos, we help you out. So if there is any other questions that you might have about this product, don't hesitate to reach out. You can contact us by phone, chat, email, and you can even text our corporate number now. We'd be happy to help you out. So I think that's it. Happy sprinkling, my friends. We'll catch you on the next video.